Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is the intraday for the gold, and of course in our live stream today we said we might still be of course inside this triangle for a wave E here, that it might be of course a zigzag for an impulse wave A, wave B, and we're looking for a wave C toward the downside. Now this wave A potentially, yes, it is finished, can be called a finished wave 5 here for this impulse to finalize a wave A. I'm looking currently for a wave B and then a continuation toward the upside. Now, what is a potential that we are already here in something like W, X, and a wave Y here? Yeah, we have to think about it, because what if it is a finished wave E here for the triangle, right? Because you are looking at a massive move right now, basically, or based on the move toward the downside, we see a very sharp, aggressive move. So I doubt it yet. I doubt it that this can be, of course, a W, an X, and a wave Y somehow. I still see and can count somehow a wave 3 potentially. Yeah, this is exactly what I'm finding a problem with it here, like having exactly a wave 3 with without interfering with the zone 1. But this can be potentially like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but your wave 4 here is of course hitting the zone 1, right? Because if you have a 1, 2, and this is your wave 3, 4, and a 5, for example, after 1, 2, probably as well. So yeah, that is something weird about this structure here, okay? It looks corrective somehow. Everything is overlapping, okay? So this is a leading diagonal again. Wave 1, wave 2, okay. Wave 3 and 4 and a 5 probably, but again, your wave 4 interfering with zone 1. Wave 5 is longer than wave 3. It cannot be diagonal, and so on. So there is a lot of problems and issues with this one. Therefore, it has a potential that it can be something corrective here. A, B, and a C probably can be diagonal, also not. Very, very critical one. Very corrective, complex. I would say definitely something complex here. It can be, of course, an ABC zigzag, another zigzag, and an X in between as well. So therefore, what I'm saying here is just to keep it in mind, what if that we have a W, X, and a Y finished here, which even I don't like it for a wave E, honestly. So that's the thing. But yeah, I mean, we have to keep an eye on it, of course, to be bullish. And the key signal or the key level to be bullish is exactly first having the 5 waves impulsive, followed by 3 waves down and continuation towards the upside, breaking the high. This is your confirmation. We're moving for higher. If we don't get this signal, I cannot really say and confirm so far, despite the aggressivity of this move, that we are in a wave 1. And by the way, it's still looking like 3 waves so far. So even if it is aggressive, right? So it's too early to say that, okay, yeah, we finished the wave E here and let's move on, right? What if we have a zigzag even for wave B? It can be an impulse even, but if we break it there, at least we know that the 1-to-1 fib level has to be tested for a wave B, which is very likely because we want to finish, of course, a zigzag for a wave E. So yeah, which make it, I would say, a little bit early to enter right now for the gold. This is what I want to say as a conclusion for this for this analysis, guys. So I would say it's still early to call a breakout, okay? And again, I would like to see at least a clear zigzag wave E, and then of course breaking this line 3,439 would be of course even 100% confirmation for the gold, breaking towards the 4K. That was it for the gold intraday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.